Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin. I want to show you in this tutorial about putting effects, notably a compressor, an audio effect, onto multiple tracks, clips at the same time. Okay, and it can be a little bit tricky, and to do them individually it's time consuming. So we'll start with, we've gone into this effects browser here. We found compressor by typing it in. Click it and then just say we want the compressor because we want to improve the audio on this clip, and that boosts the audio, you see, and the audio there is listed in the sound panel. Alright, I'll just delete that. But I don't want to just put that compressor on the one. I want to put it on them all. And you've got to realize doing it one by one is time consuming. And I often have projects that are a lot bigger than this. You know, maybe 20 clips. I'll just undo that. 20 clips. And that's just too time consuming. I'm so used to copy and pasting. It's so much faster, you know, doing in multiple steps at once. Okay, so I just want to delete that off there. And I think it's not going on there. Alright, so how do we do this? Because I did have this dilemma with a video I'm making this morning, and it was a bigger project timeline than this, and you know, it may not be the most optimal way of doing it, but it's the way that I've found works, and you'll definitely learn from this. Alright, so we Command A to select all the tracks. I just want to show you, it seems like this is the way that it will work. So we drag it onto that one, say, and you see it is put the compressor clearly on that track, right? So you think that it's put it on them all, but here it's saying effects not available on mixed selection. Alright, so let's deselect that, and we can see on this clip it is showing it's gone on the compressor. Yeah, but then we check this one and you see it's not doing it to that one, none of them. So it's only done the one, you know, so that hasn't worked. So there's got to be a better way, right? And I have found a way this morning, and this is the way I found how to do it. You know, if you know a better way, let me know. So again, we drag the compressor onto this, we boost it. Alright, then we go to this compressor, select it, press Command C, we've copied it. Now what we need to do is paste it onto the clips that we want to. I'll select them all again. I will deselect this clip that has already has the compressor on it. And then we go to the menu here. And then we go to Paste Effects. And now you see the effects is on every clip. You can see it's there. It's there. It's on them all. And that has worked. You know, you've just got to be sure you deselect the one that you've got it on already, because I made the mistake this morning and ended up with two compressors on the same one. Or, you know, if you have, you're just gonna have messed up audio if it's on twice. So but yeah, I wanted to like point this out, and I'm sure you'll learn from this as well. So yeah, definitely, and thanks for listening. Please subscribe if you want to. It's up to you. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.